Hi everyone, and welcome to Anam's Table Tales. Today we're going to dive into the world of sweet treats with a recipe that's very close to my heart, and it's the sweet coconut balls. These coconut balls are incredibly easy to make and require just a few simple ingredients, so let's get started. The two simple ingredients we need are coconut flakes and sweetened condensed milk. I remember having this as a child and I absolutely love the taste of coconuts. Eating these takes me right back to my childhood. I remember my mum used to make these and it was such a comfort snack for me. After putting in all the coconut flakes into the bowl, we now need to add in half a cup of condensed milk. With the condensed milk, it will just help bind everything together and add a lovely sweetness. Look at this thick, sticky goodness. Let the condensed milk combine right through the coconut flakes and just make sure that the condensed milk is evenly combined throughout the flakes. Now this is fully combined, I'm just going to get some parchment paper to line the tray so that the coconut balls don't stick. Also, at this point I realised that I should have left some coconut flakes for the end to coat the coconut balls. However, it's okay, we can make it either way. Now we've moved on to the messy part. We have to get our hands dirty for this one. So we just take small chunks of the mixture and try and squeeze quite firmly when you're making these balls, just so that it all sticks together. Initially you may find that they all crumble together if you're pressing quite firmly, so you still have to be quite gentle but still firm. This is one of my favourite childhood recipes and it's so easy to make. Just look at the bowl, try and make it as spherical as you can. Small disclaimer, this will get messy. So this recipe, I have passed this on to my friends, my family, and all of that has led me to create this channel called Anam's Table Tales, on which I'll share my recipes along with the art of dining and presenting food aesthetically, which I've always loved to do. Now I'm nearing the end of making the balls, so they're almost done, and this is the last one that I'm trying to just create a ball, firmly press. Here, like I was saying before, my ball was crumbling, so I just had to spend extra time, just gently but firmly press the ball. So once these balls are done, we put them in the fridge and set them aside, let them cool. And now I've just stacked these balls up. I really like adding small embellishments to my plates. For example, this small flower that I'm just putting in, the leaves that I've had, they're all artificial. They just add a lot of beauty and make the plate look aesthetically pleasing. So we're all done now, and look how nice this looks. What I'll do now is we're just going to set it on the table, and I'll show you how that looks. So if you want the recipe, please see the description below, and I hope to see you in the next video.